Yeah, what is up, guys? We are up, getting ready to leave. Let's go hop in the car. We're running a little bit late. It is 7:30 something. So I woke up around 6, got ready, did everything pretty much. So you know what? Let's go get in the car real quick and let's get on to the road. We can't forget this. Gotta have this every morning. Actually, pretty funny story. I got my wheels back. So they repatched the wheel for me, like they fixed it up. So I was actually happy about that. So I got all my wheels fixed. Got the car washed, took off my decals, and made it look pretty clean. So you know what? Let's hit the road, and yeah, let's go to that meet. In the car right now, we are headed to Pearland, I believe, to a little, what do you call it, like a Times Square kind of type of deal. But right now we are in Katy, so right now we're on the way. But yeah, so right now this is my favorite drink so far, G Fuel. I don't know if it's blurry or not, but yeah. So G Fuel, actually, I started drinking this probably a month ago. So I drink it there and then, but bro, like for real, these flavors are so freaking amazing. Like my favorite flavor right now, Tropical Rain is good. My two go-to flavors is Blue Ice and Sour Chug Rug. So those two are my favorite drinks so far. If y'all haven't tried G Fuel, y'all should go try it out. It's really good. It's amazing. It's not like a Red Bull. This has 0 sugar. But yeah, so right now we are on our way right now. But yeah, we'll see y'all once we get to the event. See you guys.
What's up, man?
God damn, this thing is clean.
Got that 17-year-old boy pulling up in the $4 million V12 Ferrari. Let's get in the front.
Man, that thing looks insane. Dude, this car, holy crap. Bro, these wheels look good on it too.
So, give me 1 second. Hey, Mara, what's the update on the Ferrari?
Ah, damn, look at this meat. Actually, I think that's my next wheels I'm gonna get for the CTSVs, HREs. Do something crazy. Wow, that looks great. AMG, holy crap, this thing looks crazy. I like the matte finish look. That looks real good. The AMG GTR, it looks great. HYPERCARS taking over the whole show. God damn, this is one of James Ward's build. Holy crap, this thing is insane. Look at that massive turbo. "15-inch wheels in the back from Mickey Thompson's. Makes me miss my old Supra. And actually, this color is rare and it's a hard top. Wow, that's crazy. These are the JDMs. legendary. NSX, the older ones. These are sweet, actually. I think there's a turboed one here too, if I'm not mistaken. 4 of these. Wow. Hey Jay, very good, bro.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate that.
No problem. God damn, this color is amazing.
They're probably next to me, you know. Yes.
I like how the paint changes. It's a wrap. I like how it changes. It's like goldish here. They're about to move the cars, so let's see how they sound. It's gonna be freaking insane. Those freaking hypercars in one spot took over the show. Freaking badass. Get back in the car and be like, yes.
That's like radioactive.
Get everybody on the sidewalks, please.
Wow, that color, carbon
Sidewalk,
fiber,
please.
purple, wow.
Purple cars under the sun. Ain't nothing better than that. I love it.
Oh, looks like Supra's gonna go hunting.
My goodness. Mix the hypercars with a Supra. I think I'd take the love.
Wow, that is crazy. 2 hypercars, Houston, Texas. Got the race car over here. Nissan looks so good. Got the NSX.
Bad UFO, brother.
Alright guys, we're headed to the car right now. It's a little bit windy. So pretty much this is the end of the turkey car meet. So you know what, I'm a little bit starving. Let's go get some food. And yeah, let's see where we go from here. Yo, what is up guys? So we're pretty much back in Katy. I went to go get some food. I got myself some Chick-fil-A. So yeah guys, you know what? This is pretty much at the end of the video. I hope y'all like the content I gave y'all today. You know what, I'm trying to do more of these type of videos, go to a lot of car events. There is another event I'm gonna go to. I'm gonna go get that as well. But yeah guys, throw a like, comment, subscribe, help me out guys, and yeah, see you on the next video guys.